Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to use WhatsApp campaign management. So this is basically a Google Sheet which I have created. So the link for this Google Sheet will be sent to you one on your WhatsApp number. So once you click on the link, the Google Sheet will be opened in the Chrome or whichever the default browser you're using. So ensure that you have logged into your Gmail. So once you have logged into your Gmail, so just click on File, click on Make a Copy, and you can just name you can just give whatever the name you want. So I'll give my company name, that is the Express Marketing CAMPAIG Express Marketing Campaign demo. So I want this sheet to be saved in my Google Drive. So always use my Drive. So you can just create one folder like today is a good day. So I'll just save it here. Click on OK. So once you have done this, sheet will be created in your Google Drive. So don't use the main sheet. Okay. So now you click on my drive and go to today is a good day. So I had shared I have saved my Google Sheet in the WhatsApp campaign management name, which is created already here. So now you can use it. So the sheet is loaded now. So first sheet we have given DND list, subscribe list. Okay. So let's get into the topic. Yeah. So in the main sheet, we will upload all the database names, and this is the customer name. So as my database belongs to a restaurant, so it shows restaurant. I have put the restaurant name. So in the message, you can put whatever you want. So now the main purpose of using this Google Sheet is to filter main database from unsubscribed people, customers. Basically, this will filter the data. So your main data will remain unchanged. So this will be your main data. For example, now, so you can add unlimited database here. So I have added only 5. So for example, now these are your marketing numbers database. So so this customer says I doesn't want to receive any WhatsApp messages from you. So what I will do, I'll just copy his number and paste or just update in DND list. Okay. So you can just select the relevant options. Like I'll select DND. So if I click on actively hits, so that first number will be removed, will not come here, right? So I'll just click on main sheet. So total 5 numbers, right? So I have updated the first number ending with 960. So 960 I have updated in DND. So this will not come here. So what happens when somebody is converted? So for example, I had done marketing for this guy. So he's bought my services. So I have to remove this his name also, right? So what I will do, I'll copy his number and paste it here. So now he is not DND, so he is my customer. So I don't want to send any promotional message to this customer. So I updated his number and updated the relevant options, that is customer. So now his number ending with 991 will not come in active leads. So basically, this will become your leads for promotion, correct? So out of main data, we were taking out our who I mean, DND numbers. Why we use DND? Because this is one anti-blocking feature wherein you can save your number from WhatsApp blocking your account. So always give unsubscribe option while you are doing the WhatsApp campaign. So once customer says, I don't want to receive any messages from your side, so you can just update their number here, so that from next time it will from next time that number will not come here, right? So if you keep on sending to these messages who says I don't want to receive, they will block your number. Like this, if 10 members, 15 members, 20 members block your number, so there are more chances your WhatsApp account will get blocked, or you won't be able to use your WhatsApp account. So this is the main reason I have created this Google Sheet. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the group, right? So and another thing is, for example, now you have selected D and D here. So don't overwrite it here. So if you want to add any other options, you can just keep on adding here. So whichever the names we have added here, if it is used in the D&D sheet, so don't overwrite it from this sheet. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the group. Thanks.